My name is Aashvik Mishra and you are watching Mr. Technocrat Aashvik. So friends, today I made a random password generator in Python. Let's get right into it. So friends, before I get into the code of the Python project which I made, let me show you a small PPT which I made, which will be very important if you have to understand the project. So first of all, about the application. So as I told you, the name is random password generator application. The tool in which I made is Python, and obviously the theme is cybersecurity. And my aim while making this was to make stronger passwords so that hackers cannot crack the passwords and get into your account. So friends, now what are passwords? So password is a secret word or a sentence which is used to gain admission usually in sites or your own accounts, but in some places also these passwords are needed. And now why do we need a strong password? Why can't we just keep any password? So we usually keep passwords which are relatable to our lives so that they're easy to remember. But even if a hacker gets small amount of our personal data, he will easily crack the password. So that's why we need a system generated password which is nowhere linked with your life, or else the hacker will easily break into the account. So friends, now let's have a look on the code. So first of all, we will import the random library and then we will set the value of x to 1. Then we have made a list with all the alphabets in it. So my password generator will start with a letter and it will have a symbols, numbers and letters. So the value of now this is die and this is another list with the name of die 1. It has the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these numbers are that how many letters at the first will be letters. Then it will be die roll random 2. It means that the die is rolled and now the value is stored in die 1. Now the value of die roll 2 is, which was the value of the die which is rolled, is in z, as you can see. Now while x is smaller than z, till then x we will keep adding 1 so that it keeps increasing, and we will roll the die again and again for random numbers. Then at the end, whatever the die is rolled, the number it is printed. Remember, all this is in a loop, so it will happen again and again until x is not greater than z or equal to z. Then we have made another die which has the numbers, because our password will not only contain the letters but it will also contain the numbers. So after that we have made a die 4 which has all the symbols. So now for the rest of the digits after the random 6 are picked, I want to keep all the 3 of the digits. So that's why I have used the for loop. Now let me show you by demonstrating. So when I run it, this is the password which is generated. Each password is 12 digit long. So you can see that it starts with letters, it has numbers and symbols in it.